Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You must not try to change your fingerprints yourself. Altering them can be illegal and dangerous. You start by documenting why you think a change is necessary, and once done, contact a licensed attorney immediately to review legal options. If there's a medical basis, get a formal evaluation and request copies of records. Make sure to preserve evidence and keep clear notes. This protects you. You'll avoid criminal exposure and set up legitimate next steps through counsel and healthcare professionals. You should pursue legitimate remedies instead of altering biometrics. Work with your attorney to request record corrections, expungement, or accommodations from institutions that rely on fingerprints. Once done, contact agencies that maintain biometric records and ask about exemptions or documented accommodations. Meanwhile, make sure to harden your identity. Enable two-factor authentication, change weak passwords, and enroll in monitoring services. These steps reduce risk without illegal actions. Finish by filing any necessary legal petitions or administrative complaints, and make sure you keep organized copies of every submission and receipt. If an agency denies relief, escalate through oversight bodies, regulatory complaints, or a higher court. Your attorney will guide timing and grounds. Once complete, maintain a secure file with ID, medical notes, and legal correspondence for future reference. Troubleshooting tip: if you encounter pushback, document each interaction and request written reasons. That record is your strongest remedy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.